future is now, bro.
And you're gonna go left right here. These are also wireless chargers, I'm pretty sure.
Oh shit.
So you just put your phone down here and it charges.
Oh yeah.
And he has to stop, so you should be go. Feel free to give it a little goop.
Oh my god, that is too much fun.
It's gonna get you in so much trouble.
So much trouble.
0 to felony real fast. Speed bump, you should be alright. Yeah.
This is filthy.
You want to stay behind this guy, you need to go left at the, or right at the light.
Oh man. You can't beat that.
Right?
You can't beat that.
It's fucking ridiculous.
It's fucking ridiculous. It is literally so much fun.
This will be a mess. You got a lot of trucks coming in, but you're gonna stay behind this guy, and then you're gonna go down that way.
Oh, rip it. I really wish this thing could do donuts today.
Yeah, oh my god, all the traction.
All the time.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't burn through this first battery.
That's alright. There's no break-in period on a Tesla.
There's no break.
No, just make sure you double check coming. Hit it. Then you're gonna go 2 lights down and go right. It's gonna be torture because there's not gonna be anywhere to gun it.
I know. We're gonna have to wait.
It's alright. You should when you turn right onto Old Warm Springs, you'll be able to.
Oh man. Oh man.
Yeah, the brakes a little bit getting used to.
Dude, that's not even the brakes. Like
that's the decel.
The decel.
Yeah,
is
you
strong,
get used to. You can change that setting too. So that's in the driving
I
settings.
definitely want to put it. We need to go Sport Max.
Driving?
Sport Max.
So it's in chill. Steering
Yes,
steering
we
is in
want
sport. You're
sports.
already in a fast acceleration. There's also chill mode, and then you can change the stopping mode to.
What's slip start?
It's like for when you're stuck in snow.
Right here?
Yeah, go right here. It's like when you're stuck in snow. So yeah, it's if you're getting stuck, you're going through some slushy shit. Put it in slip start or off-road assist mode.